Hongdifa have received our client from European country. Really welcome to visit Hongdifa for wheat flour mill and maize mill machine in Hongdifa factory. Have installed 5 ton per 24 hours flour mill and 10 ton per 24 hours flour mill, 100 ton per 24 hours flour mill. The client can see the running mill. Hongdifa have different size roller mill, plant sifter, degerminator. For client can testing. After see the installed mill and the storeroom. We will show the client our manufacture workshop. We have 2 big manufacture workshop. The bucket elevator, pipe, the roller mill, plant sifter, air seal, and different cleaning machines. Welcome to visit Hongdifa machine for the flour mill machine. WhatsApp or WhatsApp number 86138334719997.